that on.
So the induction is on now?
Yeah, so we've got it on number 7.
Out of what? Out of how many?
We could have it on number 9, which is full power, or power boost would give us maximum amount of power for 10 minutes. You can hear it. 9 is the most powerful. Then we've got all the levels of power, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 at the bottom. Then L1 and L2, which are temperature settings, as opposed to levels of power.
And there's your chocolate melting down there, aren't there?
So yes, chocolate melting and simmering. So I can feel the heat in the pan. And on here I can put my hand because there isn't any heat, because in order to work,
that's just wrong, isn't it?
It requires ferrous content in the pan. So it's the pan that's the heat source, nothing to do with the glass whatsoever. So it's very safe. And then what we can do if we just crack the egg, and this is just to show 2 things. It shows where the heat is exactly, and also it shows how easy it is to clean. So if we try to position the egg, so you can see egg cooking on one side, egg running and raw because it's not cooking because that side's not hot, on the other.
Induction cooking.
Excellent.
That is remarkable.
And then what we can do, excuse me, I just can take hold of that, we'll turn it off, and then we can just chuck that in there. And then we can see the egg there is what was
underneath
from the pan.
Yeah.
However, I can touch that glass because it's safe to touch. If it wasn't, it would have a H there. So even though I've just fried an egg, I can touch. But you always have to be careful when you do that. And I'll just grab a piece of stuff, so I'm fully prepared, full done. And then the beauty for me, for an end user, is just to be able to wipe it off. Nothing stuck or burns on, it just wipes away.
Yeah, that's quite a big thing actually.
You need water, ideally, obviously.
Yeah, yeah.
Get the
So do
idea.
Rangemaster do full-size frying pans or ones with any half sides?
We only have half-price pans.
Thank you very much indeed.